Hello, everyone. Good morning. I want to believe you guys can hear me. We have so much to do this morning, and I hope we are able to. Welcome, everyone. You are welcome here. Good morning, Gabriel. Good morning, Victor. How was the weekend? Mm, okay. Somebody said my face is swollen. Really? It shouldn't be far from sleep. It is sleep. Oh, nobody beats me up. Okay, so very quickly, because we have so much to do this morning, I am going to run us through the plan for our trading challenge, then introduce, first of all, introduce the newbies, the new guys, how this space works, and we'll see what we can do from there. Okay, come in. Mm, Just give me a minute. I'm trying to fix this and check. Okay. Think we're up now. All right. All right. Welcome everyone. So the plan we have for the month or for the next 30 days is to trade $100, 200, 300, but 100 as a minimum into 500%. And although this might sound very big to some of us, trust me, it is not. And to introduce those of you that are just joining or seeing this space for the first time, let me explain how the interface works. Then we proceed. It's quite very simple. This is where you select the pair you want to trade. Here we do euro dollar, like I always say. And you want to make sure that the assets is on euro dollar. Then there is a space for you to set your duration. Please listen carefully. You set your duration to 3 minutes. See, deal duration is now 3 minutes. Then you put the investment amount you want to use, which I'm going to tell us how much you should use per trade. Okay, I'll tell us how much you should use per trade. There is also a space up here where you see your account balance. So, like I promised us, I'm also trading a small account, or in the next 30 days, I'm also going to be trading a small account. So, your $100 or $200, we're doing it together, and you're going to be seeing the progress on this account. Yes, that's why I came back to a small account. You can go ahead to make deposits under the finance here. That's where you make deposits. And if you're not yet registered, there is a link in the channel, in my Telegram channel, that you can do that, or check the description of this and you can get registered. It's quite very simple. So when I make analysis, for example, this live trading we're doing, if I say buy, I am speculating that the price would come down. So you're expected to go into it immediately. You go into the buy trade immediately. If I say sell, it means the speculation is price coming down. So you are expected to sell immediately. Don't wait for 3 minutes before you do it. We are doing everything immediately. I hope that's clear. So with this basic knowledge, let's begin to talk about um, how this challenge is going to be, how many trades you're supposed to take, and the approach to doing this challenge. Note that this is not about whether you want to make $1 million or $1 billion. This is about training you to become disciplined. Is this still not connecting? This is to train you on discipline, how to treat your capital as though you're doing a real business. Because some of you just trade randomly, you make profit, you withdraw, you blow accounts, you deposit again. There is no structure, there is no plan, there is no. So you're just doing anything anyhow, which is very, very bad. So one of the things you're going to learn within this period is how you can plan your trading life, how you can plan yourself when it comes to trading, so that you don't begin to trade like somebody who doesn't know what they are doing. And first, we're going to be trading in the morning and in the evening. In the morning, we trade 10 a.m. So you want to make sure throughout these 30 days, you're showing up and doing this trade. If you want to grow the accounts the same way we are doing it, so you want to show up in the morning, 10 a.m., we trade 30 minutes, highest 45 minutes. We take 5 trades. Then in the evening, we also take 5 trades, 7 p.m., but that would be on the channel. So in the morning, we do live trade. In the evening, we do signal provision. In terms of how much you use per trade, each of these signal that I drop or call that I make, your entry, your margin entry is dependent on how much you have in your balance. Some of you are trading with $100. Some of you are going to be joining this challenge with 200, like myself. Some of you will be doing it even with $500 and so on. You can even join with $50. However, whatever plan I am dropping here, I am using $100 for the plan. So you know how you're going to do your plan. I don't always recommend people trading with 10, 20, or $50. It's too small. I don't know, but it's kind of small. You cannot start a full-blown business or a business you expect to feed on with that small amount. Even $100 is small, but it is a balanced, should I say, it is a capital that balances both learning and making something significant, which is why I say don't trade with anything less than $100. All right, so for $100, in fact, let me give us based on percentage. The percentage you should trade with, I think I wrote that in the channel. We're going to take trades, don't worry. We're going to take trades, but it is important that I explain this thing. Okay, let's see. I think I dropped, yes, I dropped this screenshot here. So this is the plan. We're going to be starting on Monday, which is tomorrow. Starting tomorrow, Monday. And for $100 account, the margin is $3. $3. In case you're wondering why I increased the margin size or the amount, it is because our target for this month is not just $100 to 200 or to 300. The target for this month is 500. So it is 3%, 3%, 4%. So now let's go back to the interface. So for $100 account, you're going into each trade with 3%. That means $3. Yes. If you have a $200 account like mine, you can make a trade with 3%, which is going to be 6. If you have a $400 deposit balance, 3% of $400 would be 12. I hope we understand. So if you have a $50 deposit, you're going into each trade with 1.5, right? That would be 3% of $50. Oh, I don't think you can even do 1 point something here. It's either 1, 2, okay, rounded numbers. But that is, by the way, you see that if you're trading with anything less than 50, this cannot sustain you. Now, I have just mentioned that for this trading period, for this challenge period, you are starting this week with 3%. So we do 3% per trade on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we'll go to 4%. Now, this 3%, which is going to be $3 for a $100 account, and it's going to be 6 for a $200 account. If you lose a trade, there's what we call martingale. And martingale strategy, for just like a lot of us know about it, implies that you double your risk when you lose a trade. That way you can easily recover your previous loss and also make something when you win the next trade. This is our trading plan. Don't say my account is going to, I am scared of doing this, my account is going to do that. No, this is how to set a trading plan. For those of you who bought my ebook, you know already how to set a trading plan. So this one that I am giving you is a plan that I have set for this 30 days. Now, if you do $6 for a $200 deposit balance, if you do $6 and we lose the trade, the next trade you go into it with 12. If eventually you lose this 12, the next trade you go into it with 24. So hopefully we will not get to do more than 2 martingale, but if it happens, it is trading. Okay, the possibility is still there. However, we are going to be using 3% martingale strategy for our trades. And I want you to note that there is trading in the morning and there is trading in the evening. So every week I'm going to be dropping the progress of our trades, what we have made so far, how much is expected to be in your balance. I'm going to be dropping those updates because as I'm trading these accounts, I'm going to be sharing what is happening in it. So if your account is not following up, it means you are not trading with us. It is either you're not joining the morning session or the evening one, because we're going to be trading in the morning and in the evening, like I said. 7 p.m. in the channel, in the Telegram channel, 10 a.m. live on YouTube. And I might not always come on TikTok, but in case I do, you can join from TikTok. Okay, but our live trading is usually on YouTube. I'm talking to those of you on TikTok right now. All right. Then it is also very important that you learn to leave this for 30 days. Don't withdraw your profits the next morning, except you don't want to follow us in this journey. Don't withdraw. You're not going to redeposit. You're not going to withdraw, and you're not trading on your own. If we are going to be trading together because we want to grow our accounts collectively, then you're not permitted to trade on your own. If you trade on your own, don't come and say, I joined this challenge and I blew my account. I will not take that lightly. So don't trade on your own. You must follow whatever we are doing here if you want to join this challenge. That's the only way I can take responsibility for whatever happens to your accounts and the trades you're copying. And don't redeposit. Don't say, okay, my account is down and I want to redeposit and continue. No, we are not gambling here. Don't make it seem like you don't have a plan and you don't have a structure. That's what makes trading a gambling attempt. And we don't want to do that. So you will not redeposit, you don't withdraw. So if you deposit and you want to join this challenge with us, I want you to have it at the back of your mind that it is a business money. And like I would always say, you don't just eat your business money. It is not a spare money. This is not a money you can lose. Nobody has any money they want to lose right now. So your trading capital is not a money you can lose. When you're coming into trading and you have this mindset, because this is what most persons tell you, use money you can afford to lose. Yes, there is sense in that, because they want you to understand that you can always incur losses in trading. But if you cloud your mind with this money is money that I can lose, then trust me, you have lost that money 50% even before starting the trade. So it is your business money. This is not money you can lose. And we're going to treat it as a business money. Whether you're losing or you're making profit, it is business. So you don't just wake up one morning and say, let me withdraw this money and go and eat. No, except you want to close down your business. Are we good? I believe this is well understood. I have explained how the interface works. Let's go start our trading this morning. Before now, I have marked some liquid region, and just to make this very quick, I've also seen the structure of what is happening right here. So I will get few confirmations, then we'll start trading. We'll take our trades for this morning. Again, this is binary options. It is very different from forex trading and crypto trading. It is very different from it. It's some persons will tell you it is this is not the traditional market. In as much as I agree with that, some things are quite different from the usual traditional market that many of us know. That's why you should learn it. That's why you don't just jump into it. You always should learn how this works. Okay. What do you think about this market? What do you think about it? Because what I see on the higher time frame is going down. Who is this one? Somebody said bullish. No, it's not. This doesn't look bullish to me. I don't know how you see it. Let me get a confirmation. Are you ready to trade? Set your deal duration now to 3 minutes and put your margin according to your account size. Put your margin. I have just explained the percentage you should use per trade. So put your margin according to your account size. If you're ready, say I'm ready. and I would give us a trade real quick. If you're ready, say I am ready, and I'll give us a trade real quick. How many of us here joined the live stream on Friday? Did you join the stream on Friday? It was such a very profitable morning. Let's do something like that today. Let's do something like that. Real quick. This market is still okay. Still 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. This is 1 hour time frame, and this is a lower high. You could possibly get something lower, and for that reason, I am looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell, and I'll find it. I got one earlier, but because we were not ready to trade then, I didn't call it. Okay, more like it. More like it. More like it. I need this to go up a little bit. You know, this is not just morning cruise. We're now deliberate about growing our $100 to 500. So I will not want to just give you trades because we want to make money. So I want this 5-minute candlestick to close. It is going to close in 1 minute. If it closes, let the next one open and push back up to 1.17. Be my entry. That will be my entry, and that's what I'm waiting for. That is the entry I am waiting for. That is the entry I am waiting for. It's going to close pretty soon. It is closing pretty soon. Let's wait for it. You see that? I know it is bearish, but the entry is what I am waiting for. The good entry is what I'm waiting for. So let's be patient. Just a little bit, a little bit. It is going to close in 20 seconds. And yeah, it's going to close in 20 seconds. In 20 seconds. Let's see how it reacts. So I pray it doesn't come down immediately. If it comes down immediately, then we've missed entry. But if it goes up, that price movement would be a perfect opportunity. Yeah, it is pushing up a little bit. I want it. Yes. One more. Just a little more. Let's see. Let me see what is happening here. 1, 2, 1, 2. 30 seconds. Let's see. We can still go up. We can still go up a bit. Yep, more like it. Yep, more like it. Okay. Are we good? Let me see. Okay, RSI, this is a sign, this is an entry. We're good, guys. Let's go into a sell for 3 minutes. If you can hear me, this is a call for a sell. And if you're in, say, boss, I'm in. I just entered this trade now. You can see it. You can see the trade, right? Great. In 3 minutes, let's push it down. If you're in, so boss, I am in. I'm in. All right, nice. This is our first trade, not just for today, but for the week. Not just for the week, for this challenge. For this challenge. And if you are just joining the stream, we just started a challenge trading our small money 100 to 500 in 30 days. And within this period, I'm going to be dropping um, signals in the evening, 7 p.m., and we're going to be doing live stream trade in the morning, 10 a.m. So you join in. You are not allowed to trade on your own. You are not allowed to add money while the challenge is already on. You are not permitted to do withdrawals. Just make any profit and withdraw it. No, except you want to kick yourself out. So we're doing this to help you psychologically treat your trading capital as a business capital and not money you can lose. It will help you compound over time, because one of the things I have noticed so many persons lack in this space is the patience to not just grow accounts, but leave the money. Leave it. Don't always withdraw the 10 kobo you're seeing. So it will help you gain that, so that when you begin to trade eventually on your own, you will do better. Okay, this looks really nice. This looks really nice. We got a very sweet entry. We got a very sweet entry. Now, if you don't know how to analyze the markets, don't try it. If you don't know how to, um, you know, identify some of these structures, don't do it. If you are a forex trader or you do crypto futures trading, don't just jump into binary options. They are not the same thing. I've said this again and again. Binary options and forex are not the same thing. That your analysis and psychology in the forex market, don't bring it here. You will lose your money, and then you would say this one is a scam, or this one is a gam. I'm tired of people saying this is gambling, this one is not gambling, this one is. All of them can be gambling. We gamble with literally everything in this world, if you want to be sincere with yourself. So it is how you treat it that makes it gambling. All right. So we just made 5 points. Is it 5 points now? Yeah, $5.4. This is our first trade and it is a win. Congratulations, guys. Let me see your comments if you want this. I'm seeing somebody asks, boss, how does this one work? I can't begin to explain right here. Do well to join my Telegram channel. I share very healthy information for you, something that will definitely help you. I hope you know that I'm not a blogger who likes talking about expert option because he wants to be paid. Go and ask whoever is doing binary options trading to come live and do trade for you. So it's not, we are not the same. Let's try to differentiate. I will not go and buy 7 generators and then invite you to join my Telegram channel. If you see any video like that, it's not me. Anyways, let's move on. We still have more trades to do, but we just want our first trade for this challenge. Let's go again. Congratulations to everyone. Now, let me see what's going to happen. By the way, I always like to do my analysis on TradingView for so many reasons. I like to do my analysis on TradingView. Then I go to the expert option interface and try to follow the direction. Yeah, it's always better for me that way. Now, it would be nice if the market comes up here or breaks above this point. This is 30 minutes candlestick time frame, and it just opened. I want it to push back up, possibly. We are still expecting the market to dump. That's the plan, but we need a good entry. We need a good entry. Okay. If this is a double bottom, and I am expecting the markets to see come towards this region. Yeah, we can take this trade, but it depends on the move. Let me check 5 minutes. Let me check 5 minutes. This is time sensitive. You remember, I was just telling you binary option is not the same with futures trading or forex trading. So this is very time sensitive. If you don't calculate the time and the due duration properly, you can be right with your analysis and be wrong with your trade. So it happens. You can be right with your analysis and be wrong with your trade. Let's wait for this candle to close. Very important. Let's wait for it to close. Let's wait for it to close. Very, very important. It's going to close in few minutes. Let me see what 15-minute candlestick time frame is saying. You see how I jump from one time frame to another? I jump from one time frame to another. That's because this is time sensitive. If you're coming into technical analysis, your mentors will tell you avoid lower time frames. How many of us were told this thing? They will tell you avoid lower time frames. Do you know why? Because the movement is quick. The volatility level there is high. And you might not be able to comprehend. It takes somebody who has really mastered and has seen, has really understood the structure, how candlestick move, to do binary trading. It is not for newbies who are just being introduced to basic candlestick movements. That's why you cannot understand, or you're not able to get the best prediction. We work with lower time frames here. It is not 1 day time frame that you do your analysis and wait for 24 hours to see the execution. It is easier to speculate what is going to happen in the next 1 day or 1 week than tell what is going to happen in 5 minutes. You think about it in 5 minutes or in 3 minutes. So it is not the same. The mindset here is not the same. You can be very profitable in the forex market and you come here, you learn the hard way. You learn the hard way. So as much as I would always say it is basic and simple, it has its own technique. You will not hear me use any of those other block fair value gap. You will not hear me use them here because I don't need them. Talk about strategy that works. I don't need them here. So I will not waste my time doing all of this. All right. It's almost time to get another trade. Are you ready for our second trade? The first one was the second one. Okay. The market always gives us a sign and then gives an entry. I have seen a sign that the markets will drop. I have seen a sign, but the entry now is what I am looking for. Okay. This would okay. Let me get a red here. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? 5 minutes candle should close in 30 seconds. Oh, it has opened though. Okay. Let's wait a bit. It's not looking good on 5 minutes. So let's not jump into it. Like I said, this one is not, we are not trading to make money randomly. We are doing a planned challenge. So don't rush me. Allow me to get my trades right before you people begin to drag me on social media. Okay. This doesn't look good for a sell entry. Doesn't look good for a sell. Doesn't look good for a sell entry. Hold up. That does not mean I want to buy you, because it doesn't look good for myself. Does not mean I want to buy. See what we have on 1 hour. So we're not buying. Just wait a minute. Let me get one. One sweet confirmation. Sweet confirmation. Yeah. Okay. 1.173. That's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm waiting for. So, just to help you understand what is in my mind, just to help you understand what is in my mind. Yep. I need it slightly above this point, just slightly above this point, and I'm fine. Slightly above this point. Am I having that? My confirmation. Okay, okay. No. You see that MACD is still showing green, 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 green. It's not that is not a good point to get a sell until I see what I am waiting for. A little more, a little more, a little more. Are you ready? By the way, if you don't have money to trade, don't force it to. You can join us. Just be learning with your demo accounts. Don't, no pressure. You can just keep up your learning using a demo account. If I make a call, you follow, you do all those things. Yeah. Okay. This is 5 minutes candle. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So you see that it is still, it's going to close pretty soon. So let's wait for sorry, let's wait for it to close. 15 minutes, so green. Wow. 15 minutes, so green. It is not an entry yet. It is not an entry yet. It is not an entry yet. A little patient. A little patient. By the way, please like the stream. Like the stream and share it. Like the stream and share it. We need it to reach out to more persons. If we are creating awareness to the fact that binary options is not the same with forex trading or futures trading, then we need a lot of persons to know about this before they fall into the trap, before they use the same ideology on the forex markets for this place, and then they cry, and then they begin to drag us that we are scamming people. So we need them to know that it is different. It has a high risk, because whatever has high reward has a higher risk. Do we agree with that? Whatever has a higher reward has a high risk. And if this is quick trading, then you agree with me that it has a higher risk. But it is not impossible. Tell me about it. It is not impossible. Okay, 5 minutes just opened. I pray it does. If it goes up, yes, it is going up already. But how did he give me this shadow? Okay, 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 okay. Let's see what happens next. Let's see what happens next. Is that an entry? Is that an entry? Hold on. Is that an entry? Is that an entry? 1 minute here. Is that an entry? Not really. Not really. Not really. It's not an entry. Not really. Not really. I hope you're learning something. At least with my navigation from 1 minute to 5 minutes to 10 minutes to 15, you should be learning something. See that this market is still pushing up. That's why. That's why. That's why I don't want to. Let me put this back up. Okay. Has it gone? Has it gone yet? Let me see. Okay. 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 Nice. 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 I think we are there. I think we are there. I think we are there. Hold on. I'm giving a call. All right. Let's go in. It's a sell. One entry in 3 minutes. Why is it not in? Oh my God. This thing. did not enter immediately when this was when I tapped it. It did not enter immediately, but it's fine. We have 3 minutes. If you're in, so boss, I am in. We're bringing this down in 3 minutes. This is our second trade for the week. Oh, it created a gap up here. That's not nice. But we're bringing it down a little bit. So if it comes down here in 3 minutes, we win the trade. As simple as that. If you're in, so boss, I am in. Sorry. If you're in, so boss, I am in. Nice one. Fingers crossed. Boss, please, why the navigation of time frame? Because I want to see what is happening in different time frames. Sometimes 5 minutes can be bullish, 1 minute to be bearish, 15 minutes to be bullish, 30 minutes to be bearish. And you know that higher time frame always controls the lower time frame. Why is this market reacting this way? Higher time frame always controls the lower time frame. So we check all of that to make the best decision or the right decision. You don't just keep looking at one time frame and then you make decisions. Oh, this is not looking good anymore. How long do we have for this trade? How long do we have? Okay, we have like 1 minute 30 seconds. Let's see what happens. So you need to check different time frames. It will help your mind. You know how that sometimes we say if you're losing money or you take a losing trade, leave it alone. Just close the charts, go and play football, go and play game, go and do something to help you refresh your mind. Another thing that can help you refresh your thinking is changing time frames. This market is dancing around our entry. We have less than 30 seconds or about 30 seconds. Great. Now below the entry. Nice. Are we winning this? Look at it closely. In 10 seconds. This is what I do, by the way, when I go to the street to trade with people. For those of you who think we are just going there to get some persons excited, I analyze the market. We do analysis, we do trades, and if it is profitable, we share it. If it is not, I move on. This is a win. This is a win. Second trade one. Second trade one. Did you win it? Trade one. Austin. One. Congratulations, everyone. Congratulations. If you won the trade, congratulations. Did anybody lose this trade? Because sometimes some persons can lose trade. Oh, I'm seeing somebody on YouTube saying they lost this trade. Lawal. Oh, 2 persons. You know why it is possible to lose trades? Let me quickly explain that. Yeah, majority of you won it, I know. But the possibility of losing trades, let me explain it. We are all hearing this thing at different times. You'll agree with me that there is this lagging that always happens on internet. So if I say buy, another person will hear buy. Maybe because of your network, you could hear buy in 30 seconds. So what to do so that you don't lose trades? What to do is the time you're hearing the buy, by the time you're hearing the buy, let's say this was where it was when I said when I said sell. By the time you're hearing the sell, if you open your charts or your trading interface and the market has dropped in 5 seconds, or before you could open it, it has dropped, like this one now. Let's say I did the call up here and it dropped. If you enter here, your chances of winning that trade is lesser. So is it possible for some persons to win and some to lose? Yes. Is there something I can do about it? I don't think so. So it happens. But you need to always confirm. You need to always check. Is it dumping already when I'm hearing this call, or is it going up? If it is going up, you would get a better entry. Your network can be bad and you would get the call late. So it's nobody's fault. But if it happens to you, you know what to do. You re-strategize and we come back in. Great. This market should fall. This market should fall again. Let's see. Okay. This is 15 minutes. Let me delete this one since we have made money from this drawing already. This is 15 minutes and the candlestick. I know you're seeing something that is going up, right? Yes, it's going up. Now, this will be my plan. Let it go up. Let it go up to this side. We'll bring it down again. If it goes up to that point, we'll bring it down again. This point. This point. If it comes here, we'll bring it down again. Around this. Let's see how it plays out. Even on the 5 minutes. Let's see. Let's see 5 minutes. 5 minutes doesn't look like we are going up there. 5 minutes doesn't look like we are going up there. Let me see 1 minute. 1 minute is showing momentum. You see that? See that 1 minute is actually showing momentum. And there's a possibility of taking this up here. Just do that push now. We are up here. And then we sell again. As simple as that. Like the stream, like the stream, like the stream, like the stream. It won't cost you a dime, just like the stream. Trust me, it won't cost you a dime. It's free. It's free. It's free. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's see what is going to happen here. Okay, 1 minute is beginning to say otherwise. 5 minutes is beginning to say otherwise. Okay, let me use my indicators now to confirm if we are on the sell side or if we are not. Okay. Looks like we're on the sell side. Looks like we're on the sell side. Oh, we're on the sell side. Crazy, crazy. And I love it. It's crazy and I love it. Hold up. Can I get an entry? Dear Euro Dollar, can I get an entry? Can you push back a little up for me with the next candlestick? And I would get an entry with the next candlestick, which is going to open in 5 seconds. If you push back a little for me, I'll get an entry. Push back up a little. Yes, up a little. Up a little. It is still stuck here. If it pushes up a little, I just need that move, because if we don't get that move and we go into this trade, then eventually the move happens. It will not be nice for us. You see that? See, the market has gone up here. It's down. So I want it to go back up a little. Then we'll get a good entry. That would be the good entry. It's not like it's not doing me. My mind is doing me to enter the trade now, but there is a but, and I don't want to be left behind. I don't want to be left behind. But let's hold it. Hold on. 5-minute candle also just opened. And if this is going to hold, why not come up small? Is that too much to ask? Is that too much to ask? It doesn't want to come up. Okay. Guess we have missed that in 3. We have missed it. It's okay. There is still, oh, great. See why I didn't want to enter that thing. Okay. This looks tricky. Now it is tricky. Now it is tricky. Some of you might think this is a buy. It's not a buy anything. I'm not buying anything here. You got me? I'm not buying anything here. I'm not going to buy anything here. Let it be going up. Let it be going up. I'm going to sell up there. Yeah. Yeah. Is there a plan or not? Does this look like there is no plan? There is always a plan. That's why it is called trading. It's not based on vibes. Okay. Now I am going to get a sell. Great. It's completely what I am looking for. Hold on. I'm about to give you a call. Okay. Great. Let's go, guys. So, why is it dumping before my entry? Let's go. If you're in, so boss, I am in. We're bringing this down in 3 minutes. If you're in, so boss, I am in. This is our third trade for the week, for the day, and for our challenge. If you're in, so boss, I am in. If you're in, so boss, I am in. If you're in, say I am in. Why am I still receiving some feedbacks from the previous trade? I'm still seeing one. We have moved past the previous trade. Oh, this is another fresh trade entirely. Good. I'm beginning to see your comments. In. Nice. Then let's bring it down. Calm down. Down. Okay. Are we about to have a 5/5 trade this morning? Let's see if time permits us to get that. Okay. See what that 5-minute candlestick did just now. Crazy. What a trap. Swift move, went up and dumped back immediately. Trapped everybody that thought it was going up. Let's see. Don't go up. Oh. I don't have much time for this your drama. Are we winning this trade? We have 1 minute and 30 seconds. No, I think it's less than 1 minute. No, about 1 minute. Are we winning this trade? What do you think? Look at it with your analytical eyes. I should have analysts here now. It shouldn't be newbies. I should have pro analysts on this stream. Why is he not moving now? What did I do that you're not moving now? Okay, 5 minutes candle just opened, and I beg you to come down first. I beg you to come down first, because if it goes up first, we'll lose this trade. Yeah, if it goes up first, we'll lose the trade. But the market is weak. So what is stopping us from coming down? In this weak market? How many seconds do we have left? Oh, I won it. Can you see that? Who won this trade? Give me your feedback real quick. One, Evil Legend won. Parazzi said lost. Oh, sorry guys. It was close. Still on. Somebody said still on. One. And I'm seeing lost too. Lost on Facebook. On YouTube. Lost. One lost. Yeah. It happens. It was, if you look at, just see how close it was for me. It was like a narrow escape for me. It was, but I hope those of you who use martingale, I hope you won this trade. It's very important to hope you won this trade on martingale. I hope you won this trade on martingale. If at all you didn't, then take it from me. You can go back in with another martingale. Okay, pushed back up actually. Pushed back up. 1 hour candlestick is about to close. Let me look at it. 1 hour is about to close, and this is what we have. This is what we have. So when the next one opens and goes up, I will gladly short it. I will gladly get a sell. Yes. This is 30 minutes candle, and it is going to close shortly. This market is still weak. Market is still weak. Let me see what my indicators are saying. We'll do one more trade, guys. How many trades have we done so far, Seth? Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go into a sell. Go for it. 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 If you're in, say, I am in. Go for it. Go for it. It's a sell. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it. If you're in, so boss, I'm in. If you're in, yeah, I'm seeing your comments. In. Yeah. Just keep it up. Keep it up. Keep it up. Keep dumping. Exactly. Keep dumping. Keep dumping. Keep dumping. We love it when you dump. Let me see 5 minutes. Okay, great. We love it when you dump. 5 minutes looking good. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes is one somehow. 15 minutes is looking somehow because since it has dumped this much, it might push back up in 1 or 2 minutes. Okay. This is a tough one. I can see a tough trade. I can identify or tell it. Great. We are winning this. We're winning this. We're winning this. Again, like the stream. If you agree with me that we're winning this trade, like the stream if you agree that we're winning this trade. Like the stream if you agree that we're winning this trade. Let's go. Let's push it down. We still have 1 minute plus. So I hope this will not. Don't come and say you want to reverse. Okay. It just opened. A new 1 hour candlestick just opened and it is dumping, which is scary. The first thing it did was to dump, which is scary. Because in 1 or 2 minutes, it can go up to give us a higher shadow. You know how I always say these candlesticks, they give higher shadow, lower shadow. Oh my God, I said it. I said it. I saw it coming. Okay, but it is still below our entry here. So let's see what happens in the next few seconds. Oh, let's win this trade. For the sake of those of you who did martingale, let's win this trade. Yep. We have less than 10 seconds. Count with me. 6, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, and it's a win. Congratulations. 4 trades, 4 wins this morning. 4 trades, 4 wins this morning. If you want this trade, say money in the bag and double tap the screen. If you want this trade, say money in the bag and double tap the screen. If you want this trade, say money in the bag and double tap the screen. Yeah. If you want this trade, say money in the bag and double tap the screen. I see you all making money. I see you all making money. So today, I started trading this account from 204, right? It is at 220 evening. If we can keep up this energy, making $20 every day for 1 month, we should have, we would even take this account to more than expected. We still trade. Let's see if we can do one more, one more, one more, one more, one more, right? One more, right? One more, right? One more, right? Did you notice that all the trades we did today is sell? All of them. All our trades this morning. So this is, can we come back? Can we come up? But this 30 minutes is looking somehow in my eyes. Okay, this is 15 minutes. 15 minutes is looking this is not a good entry for a sell. I would have entered. It is not a good entry for a sell. Let's see 5 minutes. How 5 minutes is so dumping. It is dumping. It is time. This is what I have been waiting for, but I am not in the trade. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see if we can do one more. One more. Can we do one more? Since it has taken out this liquid, the small liquid here, small liquid here. If it can 60 seconds, let's see how it closes. 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 Let me look again at 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Looks so bearish. This is a target. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. If it pushes back up, if it pushes back up, if it pushes back up, okay, 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 okay. This doesn't look nice. Oh, it doesn't look nice. It doesn't look nice. It doesn't look nice. Give me a few minutes to get a confirmation. I don't want to rush into any trade. This is not the moment to rush into any trade. How has trading been so far? How has it been so far? Tell us how much you have made today. How much have you made today? How has it been? How much have you made today? How much have you made today? Have you been trading? How much have you made today? Tell us, tell us, tell us. See volume. It's not still a buy. Expensive said, so far so good. How much have you made today? The Telegram channel, there are links to help you, guide you. Let's get an entry here. Let's get an entry here. Let's go. It's a sell, guys. It's a sell. If you're in, so boss, I am in. It is a sell. It is a sell. It is a sell. This is our our fifth trade for today. Yes, our fifth trade for today, and we are taking it home. Oh my God, I love days like this. 5/5. 5/5. 5/5. It's happening, guys. It's happening, guys. Somebody is asking me if gold is selling. I'm not trading gold now. This is euro dollar. I'm trading euro dollar. That's what I'm trading here. But this is euro dollar. That's what I trade on binary option. This is the only thing I trade on binary option. Oh, why are you going up? Oh, why are you going up? Why are you going up? Why are you going up? Okay, let's see. We have more than 1 minute to wait for the price to reverse. Market is weak, and I see it. I believe it. Market is weak. I see it, and I believe it. But why is this still going up? I don't want to lose this trade, though. This is my last trade for today. 5 minutes is not looking good. 5 minutes is not looking good. Let me see 15 minutes. 15 minutes is okay. 15 minutes is okay. We have hope on finishing this trade. 5/5, guys. 5/5. 5/5. We are still here. I thought we have dumped so much. We have less than 1 minute to close this trade in profits. And this account would be at $230 something dollars. So we have made $30 this morning on a $200 account. How many percent is that? You tell us, how many percent is that? So if you're using if you're trading with $100 and you're following the plans, you should have made at least $10. At least $10. And that is 10%. Yes, at least $10 this morning for a $100 account, and that is 10%. So if you look, I have made more than 10%. Won this trade also. I love days like this. I love it. Did you win this trade? Did you win it? Give me your feedback. One. Nice one. Let me see my YouTube people. Congratulations, everyone. I like the energy we're starting this with. I like the energy we're today. Don't forget, you shouldn't trade on your own, especially